extremely simple, just one-liner, that linking WHO with the countries through its societies and foundations, which is our network. So actually, I mean, that is our role, and Thunder is theirs, because for Taskeen to have participated in developing this extraordinary technical package, and then at the level of implementation when it comes to the local stakeholders and leaders for that. World Heart Federation is committed to the global mission of cardiovascular health for everyone, everywhere, and with an emphasis on the low and middle income countries where the burden of the cardiovascular diseases, or for that matter the NCDs, is overwhelming. Secondly, that WHF collaboration with our societies and with the foundations that exist in more than 100 countries there. So it provides us a platform for helping them strategize that the cardiovascular diseases are at the heart of it, and we need to prioritize them. And thirdly, that we closely with the global health organizations, quite like WHO and other stakeholders, so as to ensure the applicability which is conducive to the local circumstances through development of our roadmaps. So just to add to what all has been said, and specifically the way Taskeen brought it out very well, that, driving down a pill cost by just 1 cent is going to make a massive difference. So we are talking about a pharmaceutical industry on one side. Then there are non-pharmaceutical industry on the other side also. So when we talk about the private-public partnership, so essentially one would be looking at the pharmacology or pharmaceutical industry, and can they help? Sure, driving the cost down, doing some of the, or helping in the educational mission, dissemination of knowledge, and so they do it very well, and they can contribute to it. The other important thing is that how exactly the AI and this novel techniques, wearable devices and all that they can come up with, so that the monitoring becomes easier, the analysis become easier. So there is, when we talk about the industry, the potential is mammoth.